In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Hostinger as of 25. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to customize their Hostinger store's currency to better suit their business needs and customer base. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together to ensure you get everything set up smoothly. First things first, you'll need to head over to Hostinger's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that first. Once you've arrived at the main page of your Hostinger account, look up to the navigation menu and click on Websites. This will take you to a new section where you can see all your hosted sites listed in one place. The goal here is to access the dashboard where all your site management options are located. Now, with the websites page open in front of you, find the site you want to work with and click on Dashboard. This is where we start getting into the more detailed settings. After opening the dashboard, there should be an option to edit website. Go ahead and click on that. You're doing great so far. Now we need to find and expand the section that will lead us to the store settings. You'll see an expand more icon or link. Clicking this will reveal more comprehensive management options for your online store. In the expanded menu that appears, you'll find the pivotal option Manage Store. This is what we're after. By clicking on this, you get deeper into the store's individual settings. Once in the store management section, look for Settings. The settings area is often where all the detailed configurations are housed, including our target currency options. Click on Settings to proceed. Now comes the moment of customization you've been waiting for. Here, you will find the area labeled Store Details, which gives you the ability to change your store's currency. Usually referred to as something like Change Your Currency, this option allows you to select a new currency from a drop-down list or a similar form of interface. Choose the desired currency that best aligns with your business operations and audience location. And just like that, you're almost done. Once you've selected your preferred currency, make sure you save your changes. This is often confirmed by clicking an X or a save button that ensures your new settings are finalized. And with that, you have successfully changed the currency for your Hostinger store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowered you to manage your Hostinger account with confidence. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below or seek assistance from Hostinger's customer support. Given the dynamic nature of online business, these customization options can truly help in tailoring your store to achieve the best results. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.